me a dream come true. We call it Epcot.
Welcome to Epcot! Thursday, 9th of January. Run Disney. Right over there in the far distance is where you collect your Run Disney merch. Some people with their medals. It's the Clang Clang medal walk. They did their 5k. Tomorrow's 10k. We're here today just to do a walk around, really. The art starts on the 17th of January. Never know, they might have some of the signs up because sometimes they do have them up a little bit earlier. The moon is out. Here comes the tram. It's a beautiful day. It's lovely and sunny, but it is chilly. It's hats and coats, and gloves will be needed later when the sun goes down. So if you're coming out into January, we're giving you some tips. Layer up because you will need it. Decorations up over here, so definitely won't have any Festival of the Art prep yet. It'll probably happen next week, I would imagine.
Well, you said something about they keep it up for
for the
Run Disney.
For the Run Disney, exactly.
Just in case I don't make it past the next run.
Right, let's get swiped in. Go and the ball. 5-minute wait for Spaceship Earth. Oh, it's a quiet day, even though Run Disney is
I
here.
need to go and talk to the Phoenicians.
4:30. So we're going to go and see what we can do. Hopefully it's not too busy. If it's queuing all the way down the ramp, oh my goodness, I'll eat a biscuit. But loads of people have just gone in, so I'm not sure. Let's go see how busy it is. We did our virtual queue this morning, 7 o'clock. So yeah, yeah, it's up the ramp where I thought it'd be, not too bad. It's okay. If you're enjoying our vlogs, thank you. Beginning of January, we're still here. We're very excited to be back, even though it's chilly. We're still having an amazing time, and we're vlogging tons. So look at some of our other vlogs. Leave us some comments, say hi, and we'll reply back. But thank you for being here with us. Thoroughly enjoying ourselves. Cruise next week on the Disney Wish.
You know, I guess, it was really a group effort to execute my plan. Thank you, Gamora.
I'm really excited because you don't make it. I would love to hear more about how Tara was chosen for this.
This ride is that entrance area.
Oh, you're going great.
I hate it. I don't use that word very often, but I literally hate the bit where you come through.
I've never been to this part of town.
$54.99. They got loads of new stuff in. Like tons of new merch. $59.99. Look at these. That is $29.99. You keep that 10, probably 20 years.
30 years.
30 years.
50. 50 years.
It might be worth something. Annual pass holder. It might be worth something. I came in here last night and showed you all this. $54.99. I think that, it's Corsical, isn't it?
That's a bit.
Yeah,
pricey.
$54.99. It's very pricey. Right. I can't believe they've got luminous stuff still in here as well. But yeah, let's go. Let's check out, and we're going to head over to Hollywood Studios. So I hope you like this video. We'll walk out. We'll do a proper merch one if people want one. Let me comments down below if you'd like us to do merch ones. But there's so many vloggers out there now that do all the merch. I feel like
I keep like not.
it could potentially be overkill for us as well. But just let me know. Let me know. Talk to us. Love interacting with you all. Would you prefer us to do more house things, more things about what we do when we're in Florida, when we're in our house? Or yeah, let us know. Or would you like us to do parks? Do you like us when we go out on adventures, road trips? Look at that. Oh, I love it. The lovely lights. And the skyliner. And the music. And the copyright. So pretty at night. I love coming to the parks at night in the dark. In the dark at night, obviously. So lovely. Oh, that's where that Remy jumper's from. I saw somebody with that on. It's all like fluffy at the front. Look, lovely. Oh, it's so beautiful. I don't often come down here because I can never get on the ride. So I don't often come down here, but oh my gosh. Tonight it looks stunning. Oh. Let me know down below if you're a fan of Ratatouille. Oh, do go through to the fountain and then turn around, and we're going to continue our walking around the world. Oh God, it's so pretty. It is, what does this say? 15 minutes? Wow. We do get the ice cream from around here sometimes. Oh, so pretty. I love it. So lovely. Yeah, it's great seeing all the food booths up for next week, 2 weeks' time. I have looked at some of the, I think some of the menu items are out. I've seen like on DFB, she was talking about it. But the food doesn't really interest me that much, to be fair. I say like the honey does. I love the honey, but I'm not really sure about anything else. I just like coming for the atmosphere.
Let's go. Anybody can ride those. They just go over to the hotel.
Ooh, what's the bag in the window? What's the bag in the window here? Oh, cute. Mademoiselle Minnie it's got on the back. Oh. Oh, I'll come and look in here next time. Yeah, Mademoiselle Minnie. I haven't been in here for ages. For tonight.
Tonight's actually really
It's beautiful. The rides aren't.
You see a few stressed people walking around, but then Disney Holiday bizarrely will do it.
They're probably hungry. When we went to play golf today, the guy behind us was like, he didn't have a ticket to come to the parks, but the rest of his family did. So he's like, we were like, oh no, and he was like, no, it's not bad, it's a good thing. I didn't want to go to the parks with my family today. Yesterday when I filmed this, it was amazing. For some reason my Sony camera only caught the conversation, didn't show any of the images. I have no idea why, so luckily we could just pop back in and film it again. And I'm just going to check at the end just to make sure it did film it and it's not just the vocals. But yesterday when we were here, everybody did this and it was amazing. So pretty in here. Everything about it is spectacular, isn't it?
It's MOANA themed, it's not in your face.
No. If you've never seen a MOANA film, you wouldn't even know this is MOANA. You just think it was like nice walkthrough. So pretty. One of my favourite things Disney have put in here. Because like when it was look, a tree. Was first announced, I was a bit like, currently Communical Hall is currently shut, isn't it, JP?
Yep.
When does it reopen?
When farts happens.
art starts coming out, it will come out. Once upon a stage, look. It's going to be 30 years. I don't know, it's 30 years of Disney on Broadway.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that. I love all the shows and all the songs and everything. Round
The first,
the 19th. Oh, 17th, sorry.
Yeah, it's the first one.
Oh, ooh, guess. What do we think the first Disney Broadway show ever was?
Beauty and the Beast, 1994.
Beauty and the Beast, 1994.
A dream can be a dream come true with just that spark. We call it Epcot.
You're welcome.
Sprouted a tree that you got coming up. What's the lesson? What does it take away? Don't let me go. Easy on. And thank you.
I think it's bedtime. So, we got to see quite a bit today, didn't we? You got to see the Ways of Water, we got to see lots of new merchandise, which is amazing, 2025. We got to see the Valentine, and JP got me a lovely new top, which I can wear on the cruise next week. So if there's anything you want to see, let us know down below. We've got loads more Disney content, we've got loads more cruises to come this year as well as next week. And thanks for being here. Catch you next time.